So what is going on, guys? Welcome to the channel. If we have not yet met, my name is Peter Roberts. Now in today's video, I want to share with you guys how I built a $100,000 investment portfolio by the age of 22. Now in this video, guys, I'm going to break down some of my favorite stocks, some of the most profitable stocks that I own directly on Robinhood, as well as I'm going to let you guys in on my Coinbase account to share with you some of the crypto that I hold that's helping me make more money, build this investment portfolio. And then at the end, guys, what I'm going to do is share with you the principles, the lessons that I learned, and more importantly, help got me to this point where I've always wanted to be financially. So in this video, it's going to be a full transparent video of my investment account, the money that I've invested into the stock market, into the crypto markets, as well as I'm going to be sharing with you guys the journey on how you can start building wealth, how you can start investing your money, and some of the most important lessons that I've learned that helped me get to this point financially. So the first thing I'm going to jump into, guys, is kind of how this all got started. Now, you might think daddy's money, mommy's money, but this has been a huge goal in my life. From the first job that I got, from going out there working multiple jobs, working on a farm, I've always wanted to start building wealth in my life, and I know you want to do this as well. This was a dream. This was something that I've always wanted, and finally, once I got here, I've been able to kind of just take a quick little breath, understand that I can achieve this goal and continue to contribute and build wealth in my life. So the 100,000 mark was a huge goal in my life. So I'm super excited to be able to share this with you. I just want to share that you can do this too if you're committed, you're focused, and you know how to, be disciplined in your financial journey. So what I want to do, guys, is kind of just explain how I got here. So one of the principles that I do, which I'm going to share with you guys here in my second, is that we're going to be opening up our Robinhood brokerage account. The handy dandy iPhone is going to be doing this all. So what got me here? The first thing is setting a budget. What I did to get to my first $100,000 was making sure that I was investing $100 to $200 every week for the past 4 to 5 years. Being disciplined, being consistent, and investing as much money as I can. So that's kind of the quick little intro there. So what we're going to do is jump directly into my Robinhood brokerage account. Peter, are you lying to us? I guess we're going to find out here. So we're going to jump directly into my Robinhood brokerage account. And as you can see, we're going to scroll up to the top here. The market is going to open here this morning, about 2 hours. Right now, we currently have $85,000 invested directly on my Robinhood brokerage account. Now, as you can see, all time, we're up around $34,000, up around 67% in my portfolio. Absolutely insane. We have about $1,000 in buying power right now. But I want to show you guys kind of how it all got started. About right here, September 2018, February 18 is kind of when I began my investing journey. So it's been quite a journey. Investing, growing, and learning has all been what has allowed me to contribute to the success in my Robinhood brokerage account. Now enough of that, not so sexy talk. What I'm going to share with you guys is some of my most profitable companies that I own, the stocks that I really enjoy, and that have really allowed me to build this portfolio. Now, the first company that I have to mention, because right now this company is absolutely going off. People didn't believe in it, but I always stuck through with Elon, and it sure has been a very fruitful investment. And the first company that I love, guys, is Tesla. Right now, Tesla is trading at $1,021. As you can see, I have 17 shares in this portfolio, an average cost of a little under $120, and a total return around $15,000. Absolutely insane. I love Tesla. One of my most, expensive, but more importantly, most fruitful holdings that I have that's helped contribute to building this account. And then right through the top here, we have Starbucks, we have Facebook, we have Netflix, we have a few ETFs, an EEM ETF, emerging market ETF, Berkshire Hathaway, PayPal, Zynga, some smaller cap companies, Square, the SPX is another index or ETF, Lululemon, Apple, another company that has helped contribute to building this portfolio. Right now we have about a $2,400 return on my holding with Apple, about 25 shares, probably my largest holding based on the metric of shares after the split, but just a consistent company. I've actually not bought more of Apple just because I think they're going through a lot of different changes, a lot of politics going into the company, but long term I think it's going to play out and become a safe bet. We also have Yeti, Microsoft, Uber, VOO, another safe ETF. So basically what I'm doing, we have Amazon as well, is I'm kind of merging I guess, high-tech companies that are experiencing high growth, as well as kind of diversifying with ETFs. Some are blue chip companies, as well as kind of how I'm building my portfolio around Disney, Zoom, Southwest, QQQ. So we have about 32 companies in this holding. Again, Shopify, another great company that I love here. We have $1,200 in my average cost with Shopify, but overall total return around $800 on Shopify. So this is kind of my holding. I'm going to scroll through Match, Upstart, a company that I continue to buy, that I'm continuing to invest in. If you're trying to tap into the market and you feel like maybe you're too late, a company that I really love right now is Upstart. Right now we have an average cost around $180. This company itself in the past 6 months have made me a little over $2,300. So that's a little dive into my Robinhood brokerage account. Just want to share with you guys my journey, just buying, learning, investing, putting more money away, letting this money grow, letting this money compound. It's all led to this great growth, about an $85,000 portfolio, all directly on my Robinhood account. So I started at zero. We all start at zero. No matter where you are in this account, if you stay focused, if you understand where you want to get, where you want to go, it's absolutely amazing to see the power of intention, as well as understanding, learning, and betting on some incredible companies that are going to help grow and build compounding interest and future wealth for yourself. So I love Robinhood. I love investing. And more importantly, it's contributed to my $85,000 Robinhood brokerage account. Now, the second thing I want to share with you guys is my Coinbase account. Now, Coinbase crypto, a lot of speculation there, but I never want to invest more than about 5% of my whole wealth network, liquid assets, both physical and disposable income, in crypto, because it's just a very volatile asset. But what I've learned is that I'm studying, I'm learning, I'm understanding the utility behind crypto, I'm understanding the power as an asset with Bitcoin. So I want to share with you guys how this is all kind of led to allow me building a small portfolio holding through Coinbase. So what we're going to do is log on to our Coinbase right here, log into the top. As you can see at the top here, my portfolio is sitting at $22,548. Now, this Coinbase account was actually built this summer. So in the past 6 months, we've contributed, invested, and grown account to over $22,000. And it's all because of this. So the first major holding that I'd say is my biggest holding in this Coinbase account is right here, Ethereum. I say, why Ethereum? I just love Ethereum. I see the new NFT movement. I see kind of the tangibility and the usage behind Ethereum on the blockchain. And I just think there's so much advancements. And I think with the whole crypto space, it's great to have some of your assets hedging with this risk, because there is so much upside to be kind of gotten. So I've been able to take a risk. I've been able to throw money into these holdings, and I've just had some great experiences and experienced fruitful returns. So be willing to take risks is what I've learned. So many people, I told my friends, invest in Ethereum when it was at $1,200, invest in Bitcoin when it was at $48,000. Like, take risks, but so many people are not willing to take the risk. So many people want to continue to put their money away in the savings account. But for me, I was always that guy, and I've always wanted to be the guy that wants to continue to put their money in assets that grow over time, that allow me to build wealth for my future self. So right here, Ethereum's price today is at $4,215. And my total equity built in Ethereum in my Ethereum wallet is at $15,102 directly invested in Ethereum. So great little holding there. My goal is to get this up to about $50,000-$60,000 by the end of this year. That's about close, but $40,000 is probably where I want to be sitting the next 4 to 6 months. So still betting, still investing as much as I can every day, every month, and just basically buying Ethereum and Bitcoin every day, or every other day, 100, 50, 10, just continue to hedge my bets, and continue to just kind of basically buy in at different costs to build wealth long term. Second, I know favorite holding in this Coinbase account is Bitcoin itself. Right now it's $62,000. And as you can see, we have a little under $6,000, but $5,500 invested directly into Bitcoin. Now, Bitcoin is considered the physical gold asset of the whole crypto market, but I see Bitcoin as something that I'm going to continue to invest in. It's going to continue to store its value, continue to grow over time, and I think it's actually a pretty safe investment. I've been finding a lot of time reading, learning, investing, and just going out there and learning as much as I can about Bitcoin. I still think all this stuff is super early, so I'm taking advantage of it. I'm thinking in the next 30 to 40 years, something about my strategy that's allowed me to get to this goal is not being a short-term trader, not trying to make money quickly, and just thinking the next 20, 30, 40 years, where is this going to be? Is it going to be bigger than $62,000? Is Ethereum going to be over $42,000? And my answer to that question is probably 99% yes. So why would I not put my money that I've worked for, that I'm trying to grow, into these assets? And then kind of like a few little other coins that I really like to play around with just to kind of hedge and hopefully get some insane returns is Uniswap, Wrapped Luna, or just Luna, because Luna is not directly on Coinbase. Another great token under the Ethereum platform that I really enjoy. And then lastly, Solana. We have $785 invested in Solana. So guys, that's kind of my breakdown of my portfolio. We have a little over 107,000 invested at the age of 22. I've built this account from start. I've used every single dollar has been for myself, and more importantly, I've stayed consistent. I've understood the habits. I've learned that I want to be disciplined, that I want to save money, that I want to invest more money as much as I can. I live very humbly for my age. I don't want to buy things. I wear the same clothes. I've just learned that I want to build wealth, not look rich, and to continue to build this account. So guys, thanks for watching this video. I appreciate you guys tuning in. If you have any questions on how you can also do the same thing, hit me up in the comment section below. But a lot more investing content, a lot more fun stuff coming your way. So we're back on the YouTube grind, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care and have a great week. Peace out.